Your data is important, and a breach can cause lasting effects on you and your business. Many cybersecurity incidents start with human error. Lack of education, awareness, and sometimes intentional misconduct can be the cause. With a cybersecurity risk and management plan, you can combat human error and protect your business. Education and awareness are key. Create your own human firewall by educating your staff on how to protect your important data. Introduce workshops to train your employees to recognise and respond to an attack. Ensure you have tools in place to securely send and receive confidential data. Regularly encourage employees to report any potential breaches or weaknesses. False alarms are better than no alarms at all. Talk to your team if you do suffer an attack. This will immediately help contain any further risk. Also, advise them of your communication strategy. Have a chat to us so we can help create awareness and educate your staff around better security practices. Small actions, big results, less exposure for your business. See you next time for another cyber safety tip.